Para sa Diyos at Diyosa, ito para sa inyo. Food for the gods.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
So, itong recipe na to, sobrang daling gawin kasi you don't need special equipment, no? Mix, mix, mix lang tayo and we can make something that is really very decadent, no? Very nice, very rich, very chewy. And I will start off with my all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and salt, no? We need salt for flavor. Sift everything together. I will just mix that. And I will immediately add my 1 cup of chopped walnuts and 1 1/2 cup of dates. No? So, if you don't have dates, dry dates, you can use prunes. No? Some people add raisins din. So, eto siya. Yan, ingat-ingat lang, no? Very high sugar nito because you need the sugar to make it really gooey. In another bowl, I will combine my other ingredients. So, brown sugar. Yan. I'm also using glucose syrup. So, the glucose syrup is like a wet kind of sugar. Yan. Which will keep your food for the gods sticky and gooey and moist. So, it comes in a jar like this. It's Peotraco. And, eto siya, sometimes, if it's warm, it's very fluid, no? Pero sometimes, pag medyo malamig yung panahon, tumitigas siya. No? So, what you can do, you can just pop it in the microwave perhaps, no? Warm it up a bit so it's easier to handle. And I will also add my butter. Important, yung butter and sugars natin, combine natin, no? And I will add eggs. So, I have 2 eggs. So, we will add our eggs one by one. Yan. So, eto siya, mixing lang siya, ha? Hindi siya masyadong kailangan i-fluff up. And the other egg, I add a little bit of coffee powder. Vanilla, yan, and a bit of rum, rum or brandy, around 2 tablespoons. Yan, mix lang natin. And now, yan, we will combine our dry mixture with our wet mixture. No? So, tignan mo, kukunti lang ng harina natin. It's more sugar. So, the sugar will really keep it nice and chewy. And combine lang natin siya, no? So, we just make sure na wala tayong lumps of flour na hindi na mix. And I have my pan here. And it really depends on you. Some people like it thick. Some people like it medyo makapal. So, ito siya sa 9x9, but you can also use an 8x8. So, all I will do now is I will just pour it into my baking pan. And I have a little bit more of my dates and walnuts. We just sprinkle our extra nuts and dates on top. And ito siya, I'm not adding any more flour kasi medyo dense na yung ating mixture, di ba? And we're ready to bake. Of course, we've preheated our oven. And our food for the gods is done. Yan. And I like to underbake it a little bit para very moist talaga yung loob. We let it cool down completely and even chill it overnight before slicing para sobrang ganda at malinis yung ating mga pieces of food for the gods. The way I cut it into pieces is I just mark, no? Ganyan. Para I cut it evenly. So, I'll just make one line muna, no? And check. So, the colder it is, the easier to handle. Kaya guys, try this recipe. I-master nyo na para ngayong holiday season, meron na kayong mga specialties that you can offer at pagkakitaan. So, ito na ating perfectly gooey and very sweet and chewy food for the gods. Simpol!